How to recover deleted apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how you can recover deleted apps on Android phone. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Play Store on your Android. On the Play Store, tap on your mail icon at the top right corner of the page. Then tap Manage Apps and Device. Tap Manage. Here, tap on Installed. Now, select Not Installed at the bottom. Now, all the applications that you have deleted will appear on your screen. Select the app that you want to install and then click on download icon at the top right corner of the page and your application will start downloading. That's all you have to do and your apps will be recovered. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.